Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use AI for SEO. First, understand that AI can significantly streamline your SEO efforts. It helps you generate fresh content ideas, ensuring your topics are always relevant and engaging. You can also leverage AI to pinpoint the most effective keywords, giving your content a strong foundation for search visibility. This approach saves time and boosts your content's potential. AI is a powerful assistant for content creation. It can draft various forms of content, from detailed blog posts to concise product descriptions, saving you hours of writing. Remember to always review and refine AI-generated text to ensure it aligns with your brand voice and is factually correct. Additionally, AI can craft engaging meta descriptions and titles, which are crucial for attracting clicks from search results. Beyond content, AI can significantly enhance your technical SEO. It can quickly scan your website to detect common issues such as broken links or slow-loading pages, providing actionable insights for improvement. AI also helps optimize elements like image alt text and file names, making your site more accessible and search engine friendly. By leveraging AI, you can refine your site structure and internal linking for better crawlability. Finally, AI is invaluable for analyzing your SEO performance. It can process vast amounts of data to identify what's working and what isn't, giving you clear insights into your content and keyword strategies. This allows you to adapt quickly and stay ahead of the competition. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. By continuously refining your approach with AI, you'll see sustained growth in your search rankings and online visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.